Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Well, last week we drew these lines to create a lovely picture of a fisherman catching a fish in the deep sea. Today, boys and girls, as we're in the independent season, we are going to draw something that is found in Dominica and not necessarily everywhere across the globe. So let's see if you can figure it out. So let's get started. First of all, you draw a straight line from one side to the other, like so. Then you draw these curved lines. It looks like an eye, doesn't it? Make an oval kind of shape like that. Next, I'd like you to draw a line that's a free line that goes like that, just to give your hands the ability to draw free. And zigzag, going in different varying heights like that. Good job. Let's continue. And I'd like you to draw a curved line like this, like an exaggerated or stretched out U. The next line I'd like you to do is a line that is curved, but it's curving all over the place. It's a free form curve line like that. And the next one I'd like you to draw is a circle like this, or a dot. So just go across your page from one side to the other as usual. And then the next one is a very small dot, like that. A lot smaller than the first one you did. And lastly, this kind of exaggerated curved triangle. So it's something like this. All right. So have you guessed what we're going to draw today? All right, let's see if you're right. So boys and girls, this drawing will begin with the head, which looks something like this. And then it goes down like this, and then it goes across, around like that. And then we're going to continue with the head to draw the nose, and we stop here. Then we draw that curved line that we had, and we draw this, which is like a big jaw line like that. And then we're going to draw nostrils like this, and then this oval shape like that. Can you guess what it is, boys and girls? I think you have an idea. All right, so let's continue. In the circle, in the middle of the oval shape, we're going to draw this circle like that, and that small little dot that we said, just like that. Well done. And boys and girls, we're going to draw the neck, and then this line going like this, and another one going like this. And then we draw something looking like this. And on the end we draw something like claws. Good job. You're doing very well, I must say. And under the jaw, we draw this kind of a piece of flesh that wobbles when it moves. This also, it has a belly like that, and we're going to draw the hind legs, something like this. We're going to have something looking like this, and another one going like this, and another toe, if you will, going like this, and then we draw this like that. And we're going to have like this line going like this, and around and up like so. Let's draw the claws like this. Have you guessed what it is? That's right, it's an iguana. So remember we were doing these kind of shapes going like this, so we're going to do it like that, and then we're going to have that zigzag going all across its body like that, right down to its tail. So we're going to have that coming down like this, until it's sort of like little humps like that. And then we just have it going like this to the end like that. You got it. And on the body, we're going to draw these sort of like, it's a reptile, so we have kind of scale, it's like a scaly shape for its, on its skin. And it gets bigger around the belly area and stuff. Yeah, and there we have it, our iguana. And I know that in some countries they use it as a delicacy. It's part of a delicate cuisine that's in some countries, but it's prohibited in Dominica to kill an iguana. We have to try to preserve our wildlife the best that we can. And so therefore, boys and girls, here you have your iguana. So I'd love to see your iguana. Please share with me. And I'd like to give a special shout out to JL. She sent me her picture of the power with the cross. You know, our superhero is Jesus dying on the cross, so it was of a hand holding the cross, and it was beautiful. But I'd like us all to view it. So try to, when you're sharing, we share it in class when we have the face-to-face, not face-to-face, but online class. And yeah, I would love to see your work. So I'll see you in the next one. Happy Independence. Bye.